Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Barbie-themed cake. And no, I am not making a doll cake. This is actually Barbie the figure, like the silhouette. So let's get started.
I frosted a 4-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some bright pink fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed the fondant on with my hands and cut the excess off with a knife. One side was a bit thin. This happened when I nearly dropped one side when covering the cake. Then I rolled out some black fondant. I had this Barbie silhouette. They're all over the internet. A simple Google search will find one very similar. I tried to press the outline into the fondant, but it didn't show up. So instead, I cut out the silhouette and cut around it. The face had no features at this point, so I added a bit of detail on the nose, lips, and chin, and I laid the silhouette on the cake. Then I rolled out a length of black, cut it into a strip, and laid it around the bottom of the cake. I also made a large black bow. If you need a tutorial on how to make a fondant bow, see the link in the card. And I placed it right on top of the wrinkles in the fondant. There are no such things as mistakes, just a well-covered cake. Then I rolled out some more black fondant and cut out some small circles. Then I placed them at regular intervals around the cake. And I made a small pink fondant bow and placed it on Barbie's ponytail. I think this cake is super cute. It's a very girly cake. It has a certain elegance about it with the black. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.